guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup on a day-to-day basis. This is a Rose and Aloe facial mist that I use. Usually, even if I'm not doing my makeup, I'll use it. And this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer, Soft Matte. Literally my favorite primer ever. Anything Fenty Beauty, I love it. So, and you're just going to want to put it all over your face, basically. Get your face matte and primed, ready to go. Next, I'm going to come in with this eyebrow pencil I got from Wet n Wild in the color black. And basically, you're going to outline like where you want your eyebrows to be accentuated at. And then I'm going to come in with this brush that has the Colourpop eyebrow pomade on it. I forgot what shade it exactly is, but I'm going to put it in the description box below anyways in a link. And basically, you're with the eyebrow pomade, you're going to want to shade in what you outlined with the eyebrow pencil. So next, I'm going to come in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. And I know you can get whatever shade you want. Literally, I've been using this shade since the beginning of the time. I don't really feel like changing it. But basically, you're going to come and clean up whatever you did with your eyebrows to whatever. You could even thin whatever you outline just to whatever you desire your eyebrows to be shaped like, basically. And of course, you're going to do the same on the other side. Next, I'm going to come in with the L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation, basically in the color of Cocoa C8 Cool. And this is like my favorite drugstore foundation, but I don't ever use it alone. As you're going to see in this next clip, I'm going to come in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, basically to top it all together. But both of them I use all over my face, but this one I especially like to basically blend in, quote unquote, the concealer I just use on my eyebrows. Just, I feel like it's the closest color to it. But yeah, same foundation. Both of them I like to use all over my face. As you'll see, I'll do the same thing with the Fenty foundation. So here, I'm unboxing it for you guys. This is like my third one I've had, like maybe this year. I won't sell myself out like that, but yeah, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the color 450. and literally one of my favorites. Everything Fenty is matte. Well, not everything, but like everything that I buy from her is matte, and I have oily skin to begin with, so anything that's matte literally saves my life makeup wise. But yeah, as you can see, I'm using this all over my face just like the other one. I don't really like using either of them separately. I don't really feel like either of them separately do as much justice as it does together. And right now I'm coming in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Nutmeg Pro Filt'r again. And this is literally my favorite setting powder. It just literally gets the job done. Next thing I'm unboxing for you guys is this Fenty Beauty highlight I got. And literally, as you can see, I went on a Fenty Beauty little haul at Sephora the other day, and I wanted to unbox this, guys, for you on video. And this is the Killawatt Duo Freestyle highlighter, and it has Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule on it. I'll link everything in the description box, so don't even worry about it. But like, this is literally one of my favorite highlighters I've ever got from her. I love Trophy Wife, but I think I love this just a little bit more. And I have a E.L.F brush I just got literally just for this. I didn't even want to use my old highlight brush. Like, I got another brush just for this. It's cute as fuck. Okay. You guys can't see, but I'm taking my previous brush for the setting powder and basically blending in the highlight that I just applied because I don't want it to appear as harsh. So, y'all know the drill. Even though you can barely see what the hell I'm doing, but you get the drill. Next, I'm coming on with this E.L.F eyeliner in the shade of black. I really don't use any other type of eyeliner shades, but anytime I use eyeliner, it's straight wings only. I don't do curves. I don't do curve wings, whatever it's called. I only do straight. So all my wings are straight. And I couldn't see it any other way. My wings look cute as hell. Next, I'm coming with this lipstick from Revlon. It's in the shade of Cream 665 Chocolicious, and I got it at Walmart. It's a drugstore lipstick, but it actually is such a pretty shade, so that's why I had to get it. And then I come in on top of it with a Colourpop lipstick called Limbo, and this one's a matte lippy, so that's why I'm coming over it with it, because I don't really like any lipstick that isn't matte. If you can see, anything matte is my favorite. And this is Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive Clear Eyelash Glue, basically, from NB. And basically use it for my eyelashes. I can't apply eyelashes with tweezers. I always use my fingers. If tweezers work good for you, do that. But I literally cannot. And you're just gonna want to apply your lashes, because lashes literally, they make or break anything. Like, I can't leave the house without lashes. Like, that's how much they've captivated me. I love lashes. So next, I'm going to come in with this mascara from WOOSH Beauty, and it's in the color black, of course, and it's a flex and curl wand, and it works so beautifully. I got it when I was in LA this month, not this month, but this year, and it's literally one of the best mascaras I've ever had, and I'm leaving the link in the description box, of course. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use this setting spray from Beauty Evolved. It's CRYSTALLIZE finishing spray. And it's not really my favorite right now, but it will do. Hi you guys, so this is actually my face like after associating with people going out for the day. I done sweated my ass off already, so like this is what the after product looks like. But that's typically how I do my makeup, usually every day that I do my makeup. And as always, I want to thank you guys if you subscribed, and if you haven't already, make sure to do that and hit the like button below. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please make sure to subscribe again, but also make sure to follow me on all social medias because I do post when I'm doing my next videos. But as always, thank you guys so much.